In the last few days, the Bitcoin price has been mostly range bound, trading from the $45,000 mark to the $40,000 mark. But there's an important pattern that is getting played out on the Bitcoin chart right now, which can actually take Bitcoin below $40,000. So stay tuned to this video and find out what is that exact fractal and where the Bitcoin price could be heading for the next few weeks.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. If you want to join our premium channel, feel free to reach out to me. My Telegram is given on the pinned comments as well. Now let's jump on to the Bitcoin chart. So at this point of time, Bitcoin is trading at about $43,400 and it is up by almost 5% in the last 24 hours. But there's an important fractal that is getting played out on the Bitcoin charts, which I mentioned to you right at the beginning of the video. So what exactly is that pattern? So we are seeing a descending triangle getting formed on the Bitcoin charts, right? So we have joined the point starting from the 7th of September when it made the highs of almost about $53,000. From there, we have seen it has been acting as a resistance. This line has been acting as a resistance and we have actually tried breaking above it quite a few number of times, but we haven't been able to success. In general, the descending triangle is a bearish pattern. There is no guarantee that it will 100% break down, but in general it is assumed that a descending triangle is a bearish pattern and it most of the times it breaks to the downside. So what could be our price levels? Let's first understand that. So if we are breaking to the downside, our price target could be very well be around the $28,000 or $29,000 mark. Okay, this is as per this particular triangle. Now some people may draw this triangle from here as well. In that case, your target would actually come down. Your target in that case could be very well be around the $32,000 mark approximately, right? So it matters where are you drawing this triangle from. For me, I saw this pattern acting as a resistance ever since we made the high of 53,000 and we haven't been able to break above it. If we are able to break above this line of resistance, then we'll say that okay, this has broken to the upside. But what happens if this breaks to the upside? Let's do a measurement of that as well. So if this triangle actually breaks to the upside, we are looking at a price target of approximately $55,600. But do I feel that we will be heading straight to $55,000 or to the downside to about the $30,000 mark? I personally feel that we'll have multiple levels of supports and resistances in whichever direction we decide to go. So what are the key levels of support and resistances? For that, what we'll do is we'll draw the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, we'll draw the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom and see what are the key levels of support and resistances. So this is at about $53,000 approximately, and from there we draw this to the bottom at about the $30,000 mark where the Bitcoin price headed over in the week of July 20th. Now what we can see here is the key level, another key level of support just below this triangle is the $40,000 or approximately the $39,000 mark, which is the 50% Fibonacci level. Okay, so the 39,300 is the 50% Fibonacci. This is holding on pretty well. Then the most important level of support for Bitcoin is this golden pocket, the 61.8 Fibonacci to the 65% Fibonacci. It ranges from approximately about $36,000 to $36,700. This is a extremely important level of support that Bitcoin might have. Now this only holds true if we break to the downside. Okay, if we are breaking to the upside, then of course our resistance could be at around the 23.6, which is the $46,000 mark approximately, and then finally we can head over to the $53,000 mark, breaking above which will give us a new pattern and it will establish the fact that Bitcoin has made a new higher high, which will be extremely important for the bull run to continue. So if we break to the downside, what I generally feel is that if we are breaking below these levels of 36,000 or 37,000 for that matter, then we could be heading to the $32,000 mark approximately. Okay, and if we are remaining there, mind you, these levels would be below the 20-week simple moving average. Okay, so the 20-week simple moving average at this point of time is at about the $40,650 mark. Okay, so it is at about $40,650 mark. So if we are heading down to the lows of $32,000, then we might remain below the 20-week for about another 3 months. Okay, that is also a possibility, right? Why do we say so? Because at the beginning in May or June, we told you that we are expecting at least 3 to 6 months of cool down period. We got 3 months of cool down period from May till July. Okay, so 3 months is done, 3 months is still remaining. So if we are going below these levels, I'm expecting a 3-month cool off period, which may be possible. But looking at some of the fractals that are getting played out currently and the similarities with the 2013 market cycle, the chances for that happening is about 50% according to me. So we have made a series of videos where we have explained the similarities with the 2013 and the 2021, that is the present market cycle. So if you haven't watched that video, go to our playlist and you can watch that video. Also, I'll give a link of those videos in the description below as well. Also, do let me know by commenting below if you'd like to see a part 4 of that video as well, wherein we would show you some amazing similarity that I have identified very recently. Now coming back to this chart, now one of the other important indicators for any technical analysis is the RSI. The RSI actually measures the strength of any particular move, but on the RSI what we are seeing is we are facing similar kind of resistance right here. Okay, we have actually broken above it, and it is actually good that we came down and we treated it as a support, which is extremely good. Okay, we have made a continuous higher highs on the RSI as well, but mind you, this is the 4-hour time frame. The RSI may be good for a short-term trade that you might open, but for the long term we need to look at least the daily and the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we are still facing good resistance right here on the RSI. As we can see, this is a huge resistance that we are facing. If we are able to break above it, then we can expect some move to the upside. Now let's take a quick look on the fear and greed index. So on the fear and greed index, we are at a very critical level. So let's head over to the fear and greed index. So the fear and greed index at this point of time is at 20, which is extreme fear. Now if we have a quick look on this one, so we can see that the level of 20 has been acting as a major level of support for the past few months. Okay, if we, this is the 3 months time frame, if we go to the yearly time frame as well, what we can see is we are holding this as an important level, as you can see right here. Okay, we had held it right through the May as well, when Bitcoin was below the important levels, and then we are holding it currently as well. So on the 21st of September, the fear and greed index went to 21, and currently it is at 20. So it is extremely important to hold this. One important thing that is getting played out currently on the fear and greed index is that we are actually forming a double bottom, which is a bullish indicator. So we'll have to keep a close eye on this and see where we can head over next. Mind you, the levels of about 27 is a resistance. Okay, we need to break above the 27 level, and then we can see higher levels of approximately 30s and even in the 40s as well. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button and also hit the subscribe button and press this bell icon. Also feel free to share this video with your friends and family and give them the opportunity to learn and earn from crypto as well. If you want to become our premium member, you can contact me on my Telegram. It is given in the pinned comments. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.